I'm giving real India Ari vibes. If y'all don't know who she is, unsubscribe. Take me off everything if you don't know who India Ari is. And if I am a reflection of him, then I must be fly. Oh wait. Because his life it shines so bright. Ooh, I wonder, does he know? Or brown skin. You know I love your brown skin. I can't tell where yours begins. I can't tell what mine is. Or I am not my hair. I am not the skin. I am not your expectations. No, no. I am not my hair. I am not the skin. I am the soul that lives within. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Janiyah Annette. Thank you so much for clicking this video, and please click the subscribe button down below. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys, since we are in quarantine and you know y'all probably got braids, locks, probably natural, can't really go get your hair done because your hairstylist, the shop is closed. Girl, I know. So today I want to show you guys how to do the head wraps, turbans, you know, how to tie your scarf in like a cute way, things like that. So I have two little like turbans that are already like wrapped or whatever that I'm going to show you. I'm just going to show you how they look. And then I have two scarf turbans that I'm just going to show you how to like tie them in a cute way or just wear them in a cute way. Since, you know, we can go get our hair done, we need something. We need to figure out something, y'all. I know I got braids right now, but even braids can get boring. Like, I'm ready to take these out already, and I know I just did them. So these two turbans that I have are from a brand called the Magic Collection. I got them from my like local beauty supply. I thought they were super cute. This one is like a gray blue. It's really pretty actually. And then this other one, and this is how it looks. Ooh, hopefully it focuses. This other one is like a brown. If I could take it out the package, that would be great. It's this stupid hanger. Okay. So yeah, it comes like this. It's really cute. It's not one of those like thick ones, but I really liked the color. And these were like $2.99, so I mean, why not? All the other like printed, more like eccentric ones, they were all gone. So I have a feeling that everybody is just buying turbans because we need something to do with our hair. So I'm gonna take this little scrunchie out and show you guys the first two that I have. I mean, there's really only one way that you can put this on, but this is the first one. Oh, this is super duper uber cute. Well, I think this is my favorite one. I'm probably gonna say that about all of them. So this next one is the same exact one basically. Who is calling me? It's just purple and white. I really like this one because I love purple. Same thing. Oh, still super cute. So these are super easy because you don't have to tie them. They have the little flower. These are super easy to just put on, you know, if your braid's looking a little old but you don't want to take them out yet. Okay. I think it will also be cute to wear it backwards, like if you don't really want this on top of your head. It's still cute backwards. Right? Let's get into the more complicated ones. I'm not the best at tying turbans, but I was practicing. So we're gonna see how this goes. The first one that I want to do is the one where you like wrap it around your bun. I don't know the names of like what you would call this one. So I'm just gonna make a bun in my hair and then we're gonna try to do it. So I'm gonna take this really pretty brown one. I want y'all to see how pretty this is. This fabric, like, that's gorgeous. So you're gonna put your hair in a bun. I'm a little nervous because I'm not the best at tying turbans. So then you're gonna put it behind your head like this. Can y'all see me? Yeah. Make sure it's up on there. Cover in the back. And you can also do this with your hair. If your hair is natural, like you can put your hair in a low bun or put it in a top bun, something like this. As long as like your hair is flat in the back. And so I'm just gonna tuck it behind my ears. Make sure it's on top of my bun a little bit. And I'm gonna turn around. Hopefully y'all can see because I won't be able to see. So it was flat back there. We're gonna tie it once around like this. And my bun is not perfect, but I think it's still gonna come out cute. And then bring it back to the front like this. And it's supposed to be like on your bun. So I'm gonna, bring this part of the fabric on my bun a little more. There we go. Sorry guys, let me zoom out a little bit. It's on my bun a little bit. Let me fix it. I mean, you're supposed to see a little bit of your bun. Make sure it's behind your ears. Or, I mean, it's kind of cute over your ears a little bit. And I'm going to cross them again. And I'm going to tuck these two pieces on the opposite sides. Like this. And you got to make sure it's up in there so that it stays. Oh, that is super cute. I feel like I'm an African queen. Okay. I like it. I like it like, that's what I feel like. I like it like that. I said I like it like that. I like that. Oh, I can sing that song. Okay, next one. Okay, so now guys, I'm going to try and do the 2-strand twist one. I'm going to show you how it goes. I'm going to put my hair in the middle part. Also, make sure your edges is done because, girl, you cannot be out here with puffy edges looking crazy with these turbans on. Do your edges. I know we in quarantine, but find some edge control and do your edges. I don't think it has to be this big, so I'm going to use this gray one, well, blue. I don't know what to call this color, but I'm going to wrap it around my head once. Actually, I'm just going to place it on my head like this. Wrap it around, and then you're going to twist it like so. And twist this side. It's a little weird because, and I'm just gonna cross them in the middle and keep twisting this one and tuck them in the back. You could tuck them under or like over each other where they cross in the back. So like this, and you can actually make this connect so that it don't look sloppy in the back. This one is super cute. You definitely have to give face with this one. Pull your hair back a little bit. That's cute. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Hopefully y'all tuck this in right. Super easy, super cute. So for the next one, I'm going to take this blue gray one again. I'm gonna fold it in half for this because I don't necessarily want it to cover my whole head. So this one is gonna be like when the knot is in the back. I'm gonna find the proper names for these, for the ways to tie these. So you basically just put it on like, you know, your regular scarf, and I'm gonna turn it around. You're going to tie it. You're going to tie it into a knot back here. So take both strands and just tie it in a circle. And I can't see in the back, but let's just hope that's a cute little knot back there. And I'm gonna tuck this part in because I want it to look cute and not messy. Super cute, I hope. And then this is how it would look in the front. Very simple. Put your hair to the front, give them face. So this one, it will basically be the same concept. You're just going to place it on your head and literally, hold on y'all, gotta be straight. Let me look at my mirror. Literally just tie it in the back one time, tighten it, and bring it to the front. Now this would be cute with your hair like in a little bun, or literally like if you have some cornrows, that'd be cute. Or you have braids or dreads, bring your hair forward and just leave these swinging. And last but not least, of course, we're going to try and put the top knot right in the middle of our head. This is the one that I feel like I struggle with most. But let's see if I can achieve it today. So just place it on top of your head like this. And I'm just going to start like a twist between them to get it started. Starting to twist, intertwine them together like this. And just create a knot as I go. And try and get in the middle. So my knot is a little unicorny. It's still cute, but I don't know, it's not as like round as most people's are. I think just because this fabric is a little thinner. Or y'all, maybe I'm just doing it wrong. I'm gonna try to do this knot over. So I basically set whatever to that knot. We're just gonna stick with the other clip of the unicorn one because your girl, it's just this fabric ain't working. So since this was my favorite one, I'm gonna end the video with this 2-strand twist type of whatever, you know, whatever it's called. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. I want to show you guys how you can do some quick little styles. If your braids, your dreads, your twist, your hair is getting old and you're over it, just throw one of these bad boys on and give them a little face for the day. You know, you don't always got to do the most, but give them a little face. Put your little turban or scarf on and call it a day. These are super cute, super easy. And I know my black girls, we might need a little help right now. For those who can't really do their own hair, you just need something, go to your local beauty supply, get you one of the these are easy because they're already made. You just put this on, or get one of these, learn how to tie it on your head. Super fast, super easy, super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video with any and everybody that you know. Also, did you enter my giveaway? I'll wait. If you're not entered, then what you doing? Go watch my last video. Enter my giveaway. You can win something real good during this quarantine, girl. Real good. Bye, y'all.